How's it going, everybody? It's May 14th, 2015. Got another one today. Good day. Good day in the woods. Um, Went in this morning, had a bunch of gobbles. I mean, at least 4 or 5 different birds. We sat down, we worked one for a while. Longbeard came in, strutted around for about 80 yards, strutted down for about a half hour, 45 minutes. Just wouldn't close the distance, couldn't shoot him. We decided to move up a little bit on him. We moved up a little bit on him and actually left our decoys behind us about 45 yards. Next thing we know, we hear a gobble. I look back at the decoys, which were directly behind me, and had 4 jakes fight with my decoy. Couldn't believe it. I was able to turn around, get a beat on this one here at 45 yards, and drop him in his tracks. So, again, a great day in the turkey woods. Really enjoyed it. Was out with a buddy of mine. Got plenty of meat for the freezer. So, again, May 14th, 2015, Putnam County, New York. Another bird down. Thanks, everybody.